A lot of companies today collect tons of survey data. Customer satisfaction surveys, product feedback, employee forms, the works. But let's be honest, a spreadsheet full of numbers doesn't change a business. We have seen it happen before. Teams stare at dashboards for hours, yet nothing moves forward. The real difference comes when we turn those numbers into insights, and then into action. So, how do we do that? Let's break it down step by step. Spot the patterns. The first thing you need to do after collecting survey data is look beyond the surface. Don't just look at the percentages. Ask yourself, what story are these numbers trying to tell me? For example, maybe customers under 30 are twice as likely to prefer digital payments. Or maybe urban customers are more frustrated with delivery times than rural ones. Those patterns matter. They're signals telling you where to act. Segment your data. Here's where it gets interesting. Segmentation is like putting on a pair of glasses that suddenly sharpens your vision. You take the same dataset and break it into meaningful groups. Age, income, frequency of purchase, even attitudes. For instance, in a streaming platform survey, heavy users might demand advanced features. Meanwhile, casual users only care about low cost. If you mix those two groups together, you miss the real story. Segmentation keeps your insights sharp and actionable. Use visualization now. Once you've spotted patterns and segments, you need to share the story. And here's the thing, numbers in a table rarely move anyone. But the moment you put those numbers into a chart, people lean in. Think about a simple bar chart showing the top 5 reasons customers leave. Or a heat map that makes regional differences pop right off the page. Visualization isn't about making things pretty, it's about making things stick. It's translation, not decoration. Connect insights to business goals. This is the make or break step. Every single insight has to answer the question, so what does this mean for the business? For example, if customers love your product but hate your service, the insight is simple: invest in support. If they say pricing feels too high, test a value plan. I always remind teams, if an insight can't lead to a decision, it's not an insight, it's just trivia. Deliver recommendations, not just data. Here's a trap a lot of analysts fall into. They stop at showing graphs. But graphs don't change business outcomes. What matters is pairing each key insight with a clear recommendation. For example, insight: trust is low among new customers. Action: launch an onboarding campaign with social proof. Or, insight: delivery speed is a pain point in Tier 2 cities. Action: partner with local couriers for faster fulfillment. Your job isn't just to show data, it's to bridge the gap between data and decisions. Survey data is just the starting point. The real value comes when you move from numbers to patterns to insights to action. Every dataset has a story, and your role is to uncover it and tell it in a way that drives change. So next time you run a survey, don't just report the percentages. Ask yourself, what does this mean for the business? And more importantly, what should we do next? Keep learning, keep shining, because knowledge only matters when it turns into impact.